Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 2022 5-star Sudoku. 5th row and 7th row we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column E we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, column F we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 5. Second grade we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 5. Fourth row we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E and second row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then second grade 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade and 8th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 3, 9 to 8. That 4 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come any one of the 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then 9th grade 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 7. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Column I we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come the cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column J also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row we have 6. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, third row we have pair numbers 1, 3, 2. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column C and second row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, then column H we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. The 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 6. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. In 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 8. Second row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. Column B, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 8. 7th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Third row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In column J, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.